What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to export your Premiere Pro project. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Navigate to File, Export, Media, or use the shortcut Ctrl and M. A new window will open up, where you will have the option to change your format. I suggest using H.264. This way, Premiere Pro will export your video in MP4 and thus keep a lot of the quality. The exported video will then also be usable in other programs and readable by most applications. As your preset, I recommend setting it to match source high bitrate, in case you wish to export a high quality video. You can also use presets for YouTube and other services. Click on the blue output name if you want to change the save location of your exported video. In case you don't care about long render times and video quality is important to you, then you can also check this Use Maximum Render Quality option. This will in turn also increase the file size considerably. When you are done making changes to your export settings, simply click on Export, and the application will take a few seconds to minutes to export your video. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.